Hi, in this video, I wanted to quickly show you guys a cool new tool that we'll be using to study for just the different skills that you're learning throughout the week. So in this box where it says prepare for the week, I'm looking at this number 1. It says create a Quizlet account here. This link will automatically put you in our class. So if you're at Bolter Geometry, it'll put you in that class. If you're at the Three Lake Geometry class, I'll put you in that class. And if you're in algebra, it will put you in algebra. So make sure you, use the link to get to quizzes, especially for the first time, so that you're put in my class. I do get reports of your time spent studying and your progress. So make sure you're using it. So if you go throughout the whole week and you haven't logged in and you haven't tried, then I'm going to see that, and that might make a difference. So make sure that you're getting in there and using it. So clicking the link pulls you up to, so the video I'm making is for algebra, but it's the same for geometry. So just make sure you have the right class right here. And then you'll click sign up for free to request access. I'm going to sign in with Google because that just makes it easier. I don't have to fill all this stuff in. So I'm going to continue with Google, and I'm going to use my personal account because my other account is with the school, and it's the one I use to make your classrooms. So just make sure you fill out this information. You don't put I am a teacher because you're not a teacher. You don't have to do any of the free trials. So I'm not sure how to get past that. Or continue, it says, or continue to free Quizlet. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Okay, and so here's what you'll see on your page, or it'll look similar to this. So here's the 4 study sets for algebra. Geometry obviously will say something different, but same concept as far as how to use this. And you just click a study set, and pretty much they're flashcards. So you can look through these flashcards. So x squared minus 4x, both of these have an x term in them. So that's the common factor. So this is like the question. This is the answer. So you could flip through these if you want. I like over here are like your methods of study. Let me go back. I think that Learn is the best place to start, okay? So if you click on Learn, it gives you a bunch of different things like multiple choice questions and so on. So here's the problem, and my answers are down here. 2 can go into 2 and 8, so 2 is my common factor, so that's the right answer. So you just go through these. 2 and x can be divided into both of these terms, so this one's my answer. And so on until you have reached mastery. You can go over here to options and play around with your options, but for the most part, you might not want to have written questions because you have to actually type it in. So I would just do multiple choice questions, but it's pretty simple. You can play around with it how you would like. But this is the Learn tab. So that's kind of how you use the Learn tab. And you can go on to where you have all 12 mastered. And then there's also the writing and spelling is kind of hard because you have to type it in exactly how it is, which for math actually isn't too bad. But like I said, just play around. The correct answer here would be 3 2x plus 1. Let's see if that's right. It's correct. So again, that's the writing. Definitely play around with these tabs. The test is really cool. You can create your own multiple choice question test, or you can create where you have to type the answers. You have matching, you have multiple choice. You can come over here to options, and you can, if you wanted to take a test that's all matching, or all multiple choice, or all true or false, or if you wanted to just do 10 questions the first time, you can do that. And then one of the more fun things is this match game. I love the match game. Make everything disappear. So, I gotta go fast. And you're matching the the answer to the question, essentially, until they all go away. So that's match. You can race yourself. So definitely play around with these. After you've done, and I really want you to do like 10 minutes for each set a week. So after you've done this, you can go back to your Quizlet homepage and you can work on, well, I don't know where they went. Where's my classes? We're in a class. I guess if it kicks you out of the class, let me know. I don't know why I'm not logged into that class anymore. I might put the class codes up so you could type that in if you was to get kicked out. I don't know why it's not on there anymore. But you'll have, like I said, 4 sets a week, and I would love for you to spend about 10 minutes on each set, just like doing those tabs, making a test and taking a test for yourself. You know, playing the match game, doing whatever for the learn tab, all that stuff for about 10 minutes for each set a week. And that will help you get just kind of make sure you understand the skills that you're supposed to be learning from week to week. And as always, if you need help, you need to ask.